Disclaimer. This video is owned and developed by JOFF TV blog. For those new viewers, please consider to subscribing. Like and share, click the notification bell to be notified of my new videos. Portable electric drill. A drill is a tool fitted with a cutting tool attachment, usually a drill bit used for boring holes in various materials. Basically, there are 8 parts, namely, first the pistol grip, cord strain reliever, electrical cord, switch lock, trigger switch, reversing switch, chuck, chuck wrench, parts and function of a portable electric drill. Pistol grip, a handle to hold the drill. Cord strain reliever. IT prevents the electrical cord to suffer from strain during and after operation. Electrical cord with the plug. IT is USB to connect the drill to the electrical supply. Switch lock. A button switch can keep the switch in the on position. Trigger switch. A switch to switch the motor on and off. Chuck wrench used to tighten and loosen the chuck. Reversing switch. A switch used to reverse the rotation of the drill from forward to reverse rotation and vice versa. Chuck holds and turns the rotary cutting tools.